Very good morning to parents and dear students. In this video, we are going to study about class 7th chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation. Topics covered will be adaptation of animals living in different regions. Now, what is adaptation? Adaptations are the features which a certain animal develops to protect himself from harsh climate conditions. Okay, so all the animals living in the zones, they have to adapt themselves to a particular climate. Okay, like animals living in very cold climate and very hot climate should have adapted to a special feature to protect themselves from heat and cold. So first we are going to do the polar region. The polar region present an extreme climate. These regions are covered with snow and is very cold for most of the year. For 6 months the sun does not set at the poles, while for the other 6 months the sun does not rise. In winters the temperature can be as low as -37 degrees Celsius. And such animals like polar bear, seals, penguins, they live in this kind of environment and they have adapted themselves for this kind of environment. Like for polar bear, they have white fur so that they are not easily visible. They have 2 layers of fur to protect them from extreme cold conditions. They have a layer of fat under the skin which also protect them from cold. Their paws are white and large, which help them to walk on snow. They have a strong sense of smell which help them to come to their prey. Okay, like you can see the polar bear, it can live there in the harsh climate conditions. It has got a white fur. Okay, the next animal is your penguin. Okay, penguin is a bird which stays over there and it has also adapted itself to the harsh weather conditions. Okay, they have white colored bodies so that they are not easily visible in the snow. They have a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect them from cold. They huddle together to keep them warm. They have a streamlined body and webbed feet which help them to swim in water. So that means they huddle together, they are found together so that they can keep their body warm. Some of the other examples are your reindeer and foxes. They are also found in the polar region. And some of the sea animals are your seals and whales. You can see it in the picture. They are also found over there. Next we have the birds. Adaptation of Siberian crane. The Siberian crane must keep its body warm to survive in winter. So during winter it migrates to far away warmer places. Siberian crane show migration. Migration means moving from one place to another. Next region is your tropical rainforest region. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. In the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal. The major type of animals found in rainforest are monkeys, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephant, leopard, lizards, snakes, birds and insects. Tropical region is very rich in natural vegetation, so most of the animals are found over here. Like you can see, monkeys are mostly found over here. It has all greenery around it, so the animals, they have a plenty of food to eat. Okay, monkeys have long and thin tail for grasping tree branches and their hands are wet and feet are also modified. Red-eyed frog has developed a special feature. You can see the red-eyed frog. The red-eyed frog lives on trees and it has got sticky pads on its feet which help it to climb on the tree and which will not allow it to fall down. Okay, these are the adaptations of red-eyed frog found in tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are very rich in natural vegetation because of heavy rains. Then you can see the adaptation of monkeys over here. Monkeys live on trees. They have long tail for grasping branches. Their hands and feet also help them to hold on the branches. They can move from one tree to another in search of their food. Okay. The next is in your tropical rainforest, you find toucan. Okay, toucan lives on tree. They have long, large beak. You can see the beak of toucan. Toucan has long and large beak which help them to reach the fruits on the branches. As you all know, in the trees, the fruits are at the topmost branches also and farmost branches also. So toucan has developed long beaks only so that it can reach to the fruits with the help of its beak. Then we have a long-tailed macaque. Macaque is your beard ape. The long-tailed macaque mostly lives on tree. It feeds on fruits, leaves, stems, flowers, buds and insects which it gets from the tree. It is black in color and it is full of hairs. This is your long-tailed macaque. It is also called as your beard ape. It is also most common in tropical rainforest. Then we have elephants. The elephant has long trunk which is used as nose and for picking up food. It has a strong sense of smell. The tusks are modified teeth which help it to tear barks of trees to eat. Its large ears help it to hear even soft sound. It also helps it to cool itself in hot climate. So these are the adaptations of elephants. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have understood the adaptations of different animals living in different zones. Thank you.